It's beer o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer. We have teamed up with Black Sheep Brewery for their, look at this, their Christmas Advent calendar. So the reason why I'm opening this in November is, and posting it very early November, is because, well, you want to buy it, don't you? I've experimented with different advent calendars, beer advent calendars throughout the last few years, and what I find is if I'm doing them too late in the year, say if I'm doing beer number 24 right there, I'll be doing that on the 24th of December, and nobody's going to really want to buy a Christmas beer advent calendar then, would they? So what I decided to do with this one is open this calendar, the whole calendar, in November, and show you guys the beers, and if you want to order your own. Now there is a link in the description box for this box of beers, so have a look in the description box down below in the description box for this box of beer. Here we go. Described as 24 iconic Yorkshire beers. So beer number 1, Snowflake, Winter Pale Ale at 3.7% ABV. Cool, I quite like that. I think with this beer, you can take it as you want type of thing. You can take it as, you know, beautiful snowflake, or I don't know, maybe the sheep's being a bit of a snowflake with his woolly hat on. I quite like it, it's quite clever. So that's beer number 1. Beer number 2 is here. And this is Black Sheep Ale. Now this is their iconic ale. The brewery was founded by Paul Theakston in 1992. There's the 4.4% ABV, and this would have been the beer that Black Sheep would have sold lots of, and well, pretty much made their name from, I imagine. Dark brown bottle. There's the Black Sheep bottle cap. Yeah, it's one of those beers, 4.4% ABV, sit by a log fire, drink 4 or 5 pints. Probably 1992 when the beer was launched, sit in a pub, read a newspaper with 3 or 4 beers. Right, beer number 3, here we are. Now 4.7% ABV, Monty Python's Holy Grail Ale. Now I'm kind of convinced that this was the Holy Grail in terms of, I reviewed this beer a long time ago, and I was thinking to myself, I'm sure this Black Sheep Brewery do the Holy Grail beers. It definitely is, it definitely is. 4.7% British Pale Ale, tempered over burning witches. So there's a great bit of humour as well with Black Sheep Brewery. Again, all their beers, dark brown bottles, gonna get no light in there, no light strike whatsoever. There's the bottle cap. Beer number 4, where are we? There it is. Oh, beer number 1's got a bottle opener too, there we go. We'll check the other doors. Black Sheep Milk Stout, 4.4% ABV. Again, great selection of beers really. Ale, winter ales, Holy Grail Ale, quite a strong ale at 4.7% ABV. Now we've got a milk stout of 4.4%. 500 milliliter bottle. You've got a good mixture here. It's not like you're going to be drinking the same beer from the advent calendar over and over and over again. I have had one advent calendar and it was filled with lagers. I can't remember who it was from. It might have been last year's calendar. Filled with lagers, and it got a bit boring after a while. There's the bottle cap. At least with this interesting mix here, you're having something different, aren't you? You're having a stout. You're having a darker ale. You're having a kind of a snowflake ale, winter ale. Right, beer number 5. There will be, I'm just reminding myself here, there will be a discount code as well in the description box for my viewers. I'm pretty sure it's like something like 10% off. So there'll be a discount code down below. Right, yeah, click on, copy and paste the discount code and paste it into Black Sheep Brewery's discount part of the website. You should have a little bit of discount on this as well. Black Sheep Respire Fresh Session IPA. Respire. 4%, here we go. I'm pretty sure I've had this one before. I think I may have bought this in Asda or somewhere like that. Beer 6, that was 5. Black Sheep, Golden Sheep, 4.5% ABV. Nice golden ale, 500 milliliter bottle. So beer number 9 just fell down into beer number 6. So we'll get to that in a moment. Beer number 7. Black Sheep Best Bitter, 3.8% ABV. That will be pretty decent, I'm pretty sure. A proper Best Bitter in a can. Something about Best Bitters in a can, it just seems to work, doesn't it? Beer number 8. We'll start popping along now with this. Yorkshire Terrier, Yorkshire Amber Bitter. Never heard of this one. Oh. York Brewery, Yorkshire Amber Bitter. So obviously Black Sheep now own York Brewery, they must do. There we go. I haven't had a York Brewery beer for ages. Usually it's a Brew York. What was that? That was 8, so we're looking at 9 now. Not 9's not going to work because it's fallen down. Blitzen, Festive Ruby Ale, 4% ABV. There's the bottle cap. There's your Christmas beer right there. 10. Another bottle of Holy Grail. 2 bottles of Holy Grail. Decent beer, that. York Brewery Guzzler Session Pale Ale. I'm quite happy about this actually, getting some York Brewery beers. Silver bottle cap, 3.6% ABV. 12. See how messy this gets. Now, all of these advent calendars, they all get messy like this. Think of your chocolate one, that gets messy too, doesn't it? Ooh, look at this. Black Sheep Imperial Yorkshire Stout, 330 milliliter. Oh yeah. I think I've had this. I've had this years ago, I think. The Imperial Stout from Black Sheep, and I remember it being really good, if I remember rightly. Right, that was 12, so 13, unlucky for some. Oh, that's fallen down as well, number 13. Black Sheep Blonde, modern blonde ale, 3.7% ABV. Gonna start putting these up here now. Running out of room. 14. Another Black Sheep Blitzen, 4% ABV. Festive Ruby Ale. $15. Can of Black Sheep Ale. Maybe I can put the can against the bottle, see what the difference is. 4.4% ABV. $16. Oh, another one that might want to fall. No, it's okay. Black Sheep Blonde in a can. There you go, can or bottle. I suppose some people want their beer in a can, don't they? They don't want it in a bottle. The only thing with a can is you get a little bit less, don't you? What are we now? That was 16, so 17. Oh, there's a Black Sheep Milk Stout. Nice. Something for the weekend, that. 4.4% ABV Milk Stout. 17, so 18. Another Black Sheep Respire. Fresh Session IPA. 4% ABV. Oh, where were we? It was 18, that was 18, so where's 19? 19's down here. Black Sheep Golden Sheep. Another one of those. $20. Ah, now then, the fabled I was waiting for this. This was when I reviewed beer on YouTube at the beginning, 15 years ago now nearly. This was probably one of the first strong beers I ever reviewed on the channel. 5.7% ABV. And I was like, oof, there's some beef to that, you know? It's a sheep. $21. Black Sheep Best Bitter. I had one of those. $22. Ooh, look at this. Black Sheep Riggwelter Cherry and Cacao Dark Ale at 6% ABV. Should be really interesting. 23. Black Sheep Ale. 4.4% ABV. And beer number 24, Christmas Eve already. Black Sheep Snowflake, 3.7% ABV. So, great combination. Session beers, decent ales, golden ales, darker ales, winter ales, ruby ales, best bitters in cans, Riggwelter at 6%, cherry and cacao dark ale, and a bottle of dark Black Sheep's Imperial Stout. That's a great box. That's a great box for Christmas, that is. Many thanks to Black Sheep for sending me this box. I hope you go now and order yours, if you of course want to. There's a link in the description box. There's a discount code in the description box. Thanks for watching. Boom. Cheers.